Okay, have you ever actually wished for a literal machine that could just print money for you every single day, right in the background? Well, it honestly sounds like science fiction, but today we're going to see how close we've actually come to that exact reality.
Because what if I told you that Money Machine already exists right inside your laptop? Seriously, the answer is artificial intelligence. Right now, every day, regular people are using generative AI like a personal ATM. They're making withdrawals using skills they didn't even know they had. And the best part, there is no massive upfront investment required. No fancy degree needed, just your laptop, an internet connection, and, well, the willingness to follow a few simple steps.
So let's dive into our roadmap for this explainer today. We'll start with the AI money machine concept, then look at freelancing and visual design, content and digital products, automating small businesses, a simple 5-step action plan, and finally, multiplying your potential. All right, moving right along to our first big category, freelancing and visual design, or as I like to call it, supercharged active income. Now this right here brilliantly illustrates the core shift we're seeing in the market. Think about the normal way of freelancing, right? It takes hours to draft a blog post, write product descriptions, or hammer out marketing copy. But the AI way? We are talking minutes, literally minutes. You just learn how to prompt generative AI tools to do the heavy lifting for you. Then you step in, polish the output, add your own unique human voice, and ship it to your clients. And here is the absolutely crucial point to remember. Clients pay for results, not your time. They don't care if it took you 10 hours or 10 minutes, as long as it's good, which means you can serve way more clients in less time and completely multiply your income.
And you know, this exact same principle applies perfectly to visual content too. Businesses are always, and I mean constantly, in need of logos, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, product images, the whole shebang, just to stay relevant. By using AI image generators, you can pump out stunning, professional work in seconds. Seconds. You really just have to learn the right prompts and experiment with a few styles. And boom, you've built an impressive portfolio incredibly fast. Then you offer these services to small, local businesses who desperately need high-quality visuals, but definitely cannot afford to hire some expensive agency. If you master this workflow, it can quickly become a super reliable, full-time income stream for sure.
So that's active income, but let's scale things up and move to our next section, content and digital products, which is all about building passive income.
Okay, quick question. Have you ever heard of a faceless YouTube channel?
It is exactly what it sounds like. You do not need to show your face, and honestly, you don't even need to speak on camera. You basically play the role of the director. You provide the topic idea and the creative direction, and from there, the AI steps in. It writes your script, generates a hyper-realistic voiceover, and even helps edit the visuals. It's crazy. And channels exactly like the one we're describing earn real money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The beauty here is that once that video is published, it's out there working for you. It keeps earning money year after year.
Now, looking beyond video, we can break this passive income idea down into 2 other really cool avenues. First up is print on demand. This is where you sell physical items like shirts, mugs, posters, you name it. Your only job is just to set up the storefront. The AI generates all the cool artwork for you, and the platform handles the printing and the shipping. Totally hands-off. Next, we have digital products. Think digital planners, ebooks, templates. Once again, you decide what to sell, and the AI helps you write the content, design the layout, and even make the cover art. With both of these, every single sale turns into passive income that lands right in your bank account while you're literally sleeping. All right, moving on to our next big opportunity, automating small businesses. This is where we get into predictable, scalable revenue. Now, what's really interesting about this is how we move into recurring monthly income. Think about your local business owners. They are completely swamped, right? Running day-to-day operations, putting out fires, they have zero time to sit down and learn new tech. And that, my friends, is exactly where you come in. You can build simple, incredibly effective AI tools for them. I'm talking about AI chatbots that answer customer questions 24/7, automated email sequences that actually drive sales, and streamlined customer service tools. Because these setups save these owners massive amounts of time and money, they will happily, and I mean happily, pay you a monthly retainer fee just to keep them running. That recurring payment means you have predictable income that just keeps growing every time you sign someone new. But hey, beyond automating local businesses, you can actually automate your own knowledge too. We're talking about creating an online course. Listen, if you have any skill at all, literally anything, I guarantee there's someone out there who wants to learn it from you. And AI makes this incredibly easy now. It can outline your entire curriculum, write the content for your slides, and even generate quizzes to test your students. Once you push that course live, people can buy it anytime, day or night. It's just another background income stream doing the heavy lifting for you.
Okay, let's pivot from theory to execution. Here's your 5-step action plan to actually start doing this today.
The whole execution phase really comes down to this simple framework, so pay attention here. Step 1, and this is absolutely the most important, choose just one method from everything we just talked about. Seriously, do not try to do all of them at once. Step 2, spend this coming week just learning the basic generative AI tools specifically for that one chosen method. Step 3, create a small sample project. You need something tangible to show people what you can do, right? Step 4, take action. Reach out to 5 potential clients or hit publish on your very first piece of content. And step 5, just repeat this process every single week. Focus is everything here. The absolute biggest mistake I see people make is trying every single method at the same time, getting totally overwhelmed and burning out. Master one workflow, get that consistent income flowing, and only then should you think about expanding.
As we wrap up this explainer, let's talk about our final point, multiplying your potential and the true value of AI. I want to leave you with a massive mindset shift, because this right here completely changes the game. AI is not replacing you, it is multiplying you. Let that sink in. It is giving you the exact same superpowers that used to belong exclusively to huge teams and massive companies. Think about it, the highly sophisticated automation software and generative algorithms that big corporations drop thousands of dollars on. They're sitting right there on your laptop, available to you for free, or basically free. The playing field has completely been leveled. The only real difference between you and someone who's already building digital wealth with these tools is just taking action.
Because remember, information without action changes absolutely nothing. So I have to ask, what will your first step be today? Pick your method and commit to it before you even close out of this explainer. If this breakdown helped you see what's possible, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss our next one. Drop a comment below right now and tell me exactly which of these methods you're going to start with. Oh, and please, share this explainer with someone in your life who really needs to hear this. Catch you next time.